You don't need a $50,000 remodel to have a kitchen that looks high-end. In fact, some of the most expensive looking kitchens come down to few smart design decisions. Not a massive budget. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your kitchen look more expensive without overspending. If you're trying to get the most impact out of your budget, my ultimate kitchen cabinet renovation guide will walk you through what actually matters at every price point from $5,000 to $50,000 so you can spend smarter, not more. You'll find the link down in the description. Number one, the number one thing you could do to upgrade your kitchen to make it look more expensive and you don't want to spend that much and be on the budget is upgrading your hardware. Now, what do I mean by that? Most of the hardware, kind of like what you see in this kitchen, is usually has one screw or two screws. Just kind of make sure which one you have. So it's quick and easy. You can kind of change it out, add an upgrade on there. You go to your either hardware store or go to Amazon and find a handle. You can easily, quickly change it out and completely change it out. Make it look different. So I have 3 handles here, kind of just to showcase, we have this nice matted black one where it's kind of little awkward looking design. So if you were to just to upgrade it, it would look pretty good. So you kind of change these out, put that one on there. You could go with a nice stainless steel kind of metal looking one here, kind of put it on the cabinet here and see how it looks. So any kind of finish you want, as long as the whole pattern is the same, it'll be easy to change it out. So you could just quickly change that one out and put it and instantly update your kitchen, make it look like a little more expensive depending on the hardware you do. Number 2, let's say don't want to spend that much money, you don't have the money to basically upgrade that whole new kitchen. You can basically just get it painted, hire a painter, go ahead and just paint your cabinets. Something quick, something easy, it'll give you a whole new look. But if you want to go ahead and change out the new cabinets, you want the new hardware, the new drawers, the new hinges, obviously you got to get a new kitchen, completely gut it out, go all new. But if you're trying to save on a budget, hire a painter, just paint it out. Number 3, something that actually I feel makes a big difference when you either upgrade your kitchen or you just want to make it look like expensive and you're just on a budget, is adding light. You could go to your DIY kind of style and go to Home Depot, go to Amazon, find some cheap lighting that you can basically get, easy plug-in lighting, and just upgrade it. Like we have here on the top, I decided to basically have one off and one on, so you can clearly see the difference of how it makes, especially on glass cabinets. No light, you got light on the top, you could makes it look high-end, makes it look a lot nicer. Number 4, another thing that makes your kitchen look expensive on a budget is declutter your countertop. Make it look nice and clean, get rid of some of that stuff you don't need. Obviously, we all like to buy stuff that we really don't need. I know it feels cool that you want to have those nice oils next to it. Are they any good for anything? No, probably not. You probably won't use them. I know they're decorative, you found it real cheap and you just want to put it on there, but if you declutter your countertop, it makes you look more expensive, kind of nice, clean kitchen, and makes you feel better. Number 5 is upgrading your backsplash. So a lot of people tend to have either a tile backsplash or they just painted their walls and decided not to do a backsplash. One quick upgrade, you could do a whole stone backsplash, kind of something that we have here. This will instantly upgrade your kitchen. I'm talking real quick. It's gonna take you from average kitchen to a high-end looking kitchen if you basically do a full backsplash in stone. That is one thing that we always recommend people here. Why? Because it's easy to clean. Instead of having tile and having to clean it, if you splash spaghetti sauce on there, it's easy to clean this, wipe it down, you're ready to go. So upgrading your backsplash is a good upgrade that makes it look more expensive. Last one that I recommend is integrating a wood texture or even adding metal. As you can see right here, the hood, we decided to make it into a wood kind of grain. Nice warm looking tones. We added the floating shelves with the metal brackets. This gives you a whole upgrade look. Cleared out the upper cabinets and just made it nice and open. Elevate that style, make your kitchen look more expensive, more high-end by just adding nice floating shelves, keeping it decluttered, not putting so many things up there, and it brings out the warmth. Nice white cabinets, little gray countertops, and a nice brown wood tone with metal integrated makes your kitchen look more expensive. So here's a quick story of what we did actually at my house that upgraded our kitchen, made us look really nice. Our kitchen we changed out our hardware. Hardware is a quick and it's an easy cost. It doesn't cost that much money to switch out your hardware. We did it in our house. I used to have this ugly kind of stainless steel looking handles, and we found these nice matted black handles, and I switched them out real quick. It kind of elevated the kitchen instantly. I'm talking, it completely changed everything. We have warm maple cabinet looking kitchen with metal kind of handles. Didn't really appeal that nice, didn't look so high end. When we changed those out to matted black, wow, it completely changed it. I'm talking, it went from this level to this level instantly. And truthfully, we didn't spend that much money. We spent maybe about $300, and you know, I kind of changed everything out, so kept the wife happy. So quick upgrade that we did in my own house was change out the handles, and it changed everything instantly. I would highly recommend looking at changing out your handles. I think it'll look big difference. So here's another one that actually in my own house, we basically had a lot of appliances on our countertops. We never had room for cooking. We couldn't prep, we couldn't do anything. We had a microwave, we had a toaster, we had a blender, all on our countertops. So what we ended up doing was basically grab those appliances. We basically found a home in the base cabinet, and by decluttering our kitchen, one, it made us feel like our kitchen felt a little bigger, it felt a little cleaner, and it just felt just better, and it kind of elevated, because when you walk into our kitchen now, it just looked nice and wide and open, and when you have all those appliances just scattered everywhere, it kind of just doesn't feel that good. So decluttering helps in many ways. Open up your kitchen, makes it feel bigger, keeps you sane, and it makes it look a little high end because it looks like, you know, it's nice and clean. So declutter your kitchen, go ahead, grab some of that stuff, throw it away, put it behind the countertops, behind the cabinet doors. It'll upgrade you real quick. If this helped you upgrade your kitchen without overspending, the next video you should watch is the top kitchen design trends for 2026. I'll link it right here, and I'll see you there.